So this is my boyfriend, Ira.
Hello, hello.
And Ira, while he is an idiot, is also a wonderful man who I have decided to keep in my life. But one thing I will no longer continue to have is what is happening on his feet. So seeing as how all of these spas and salons are closed, I have today taken it upon myself to fix these disgusting things. Okay, first step, I think we need to scrape everything off of your feet.
Including the toenails?
Oh my god. Oh, okay, not both, nah, singular. Could you wipe them first? Just get the hair and shit
I
out.
thought this was all inclusive.
No.
I gotta wipe my own feet? What kind of joint is this?
A free one?
You don't like your own hair and a piece of cotton? Thor, do you want to complete your life goal as a mop and mop the bottom of my foot? You want to mop my foot?
Or you better leave while you still can.
It's about to get crazy in here, Thor.
Okay, I don't really want your toe crust all over me, so if you could.
No one does.
Oh, this is so nasty. Oh, they're so dry. I don't want to open my mouth while I'm here. Does this feel good?
Yeah.
Do you feel like a new man?
No, not particularly.
Well, we're not done yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
What?
That snap made me feel like I broke your toe! Oh, I hate this.
Guys just doing guy stuff. Chewing on their stuffed animal and surfing Twitter.
Is this just like calluses?
Yeah.
This is just so many calluses. You have a bump on the side of your toe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna scrape this right off. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! I'm like removing half your foot!
It's gonna take me from a size 12 to 11 and a half real quick.
Oh! Ira, that's so much. I don't even know how you lived like that.
This is your moment. Look at that. And we're rolling. Act natural. Act natural, Thor. Chew on that creature.
What is happening?
We're filming.
Okay, we're gonna apply this petty mask.
Like a Tom Petty mask.
I swear to God, I would find a new boyfriend if we weren't in quarantine!
So is this what the guy was wearing at the end of The Departed?
I haven't seen that, so I don't understand your stupid joke.
You have seen it. You're lying. When he walks in with the shoe covers on and then... Does he kill Matt Damon? Is it Matt Damon or is it Ben Affleck? It's Matt Damon.
I have no idea what you're referring to.
The Departed! Slimy in there. Ugh.
Nice. Seal it?
Yeah, this is definitely what he had on in The Departed. It adds a layer to the movie knowing he's getting a pedicure and just had to go kill Matt Damon.
Now we gotta do the other one. I might need a new thing. I'm pretty sure this qualifies as gross. See, Thor agrees. Oh, yeah, we're gonna replace this. I've removed the bump.
Yeah, I see. It's tough. I feel like I'm just another pretty face without all my character now.
This? There's a little wax. They grow back.
Thor says okay, sure, why not?
These little straggly pieces of hair.
What's wrong with them?
Nothing. Hair
I
is
think
beautiful.
they're beautiful.
As you should. I'm just gonna rip it all right out of you like society does to women every day. So I'm gonna trim your toe hair for you. Can I have the trash can? Just have a bunch of creepy little toe hair. Ready? I'm gonna tweeze these last three. Look.
My beautiful, beautiful toe hair.
I don't know if you can even see it on the camera. That's all in your toes. Wow. I used to do this for my friends in high school.
Got
you
it.
have hairy toes. I support you. Probably should be wearing a mask for all this.
Really?
Yeah, your feet are disgusting.
Mm-mm.
So this is your first pedicure experience?
First pedicure ever.
How is it?
It's fantastic.
What would you rate me if you were leaving a Yelp review?
A 10.
Out of?
100. My feet care is not exactly the highest priority, so it's kind of just, it's really free range down there. Once you hit my ankles, do whatever you want.
I've done a lot for you.
Killing it. It's great.
Touch your foot right now. Touch this.
So far.
Do you not know how to use your body?
Slightly cold, slightly damp, hairless.
Lots of people would really appreciate me coming to their homes and doing this for them right now.
I do. And she's also available for hire. Just drop your name in the comments below.
Have you recently trimmed your toenail?
Probably within the last 2 weeks.
Okay, you're trimmed. The final steps are we're going to apply a cuticle oil
What?
to your nails.
You could put nail polish on?
Well, do you want nail polish?
No.
I didn't think you would, so.
Is that nail polish?
No, it's a cuticle oil. Do you even listen to what I say, or do you just look at the bottle? Judging books by covers? Is that the only reason we're together? Because you later learned my real personality is awful?
Thank you. That's great.
Okay, finally, for this foot, we're gonna add some lotion. ASAP, sponsor me.
Oh.
Your feet feel so much better. I can't believe you don't notice the difference. They were so awful. Like, I couldn't listen to you touch. Like, if your feet would brush up against my leggings, it would make such a horrible, horrible dry sound. I couldn't handle it.
I like that sound.
Bam.
Bam!
Are you impressed?
Very.
What is your feedback? How do you feel?
Feels great. I can slide all around the apartment now.
Go!
Thor, do you want to slide with me?
Clip your toenails.
You want to slide?
Apply moisturizer. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.
Peace.
I'm gonna wash the crap out of my hands.